Good evening. It's 7:20 or thereabouts Eastern Time. This is Hurricane Irma, the radar out of Tampa. You can see the center of it is right about here over Fort Myers. I myself, if you can see my cursor, I'm about right there on the map. There's Tampa, so I'm directly west of Tampa in the next county that juts out into the Gulf. It's blowing, it's raining out here, but as these bands come whipping around, it'll get worse over the next few hours. Probably won't post anymore. I expect to lose power. Everybody down here has already lost power. So I'll see if I can post a quick video outside. It's starting to get darker. Here's my barometer. It's been dropping all day. It's about 29.35 right now. I expect it to keep dropping. This is how it is. The hurricane's coming, things are blowing, rain's coming down. It's supposed to get worse.